How a college dropout turned $500 into a multi-billion-dollar food empire, the untold story of Domino's pizza. Picture this, you are working 80 hours a week in a tiny, cramped pizza shop located right next to a university campus. You are exhausted, deep in DBT, and struggling just to parent. Most people allowed quit and look for a safer, more stable job. But Tom Monaghan, he saw a blueprint for a global empire. Back in 1960, Tom Monaghan and his brother James pooled together $500 to buy a small, failing pizzeria named Domino's in Ypsilanti, Michigan. Shortly after buying it, James traded his half of the business to Tom for a Volkswagen Beetle. Tom was completely on his own, working around the clock, sleeping on the floor of the shop, and trying to figure out how to survive. He realized that university students did not want to sit in a restaurant, they wanted hot food delivered straight to their dorm rooms while they studied or hung out. Tom made two massive, game-changing business decisions. First, he decided to stop selling submarine sandwiches and burgers to focus exclusively on pizza, which drastically simplified operations. Second, he stopped leaning in entirely and focused 100% of his energy on fast home delivery. To avoid delivery delays getting out of hand, he invented the corrugated cardboard pizza box that kept heat locked in during transit. In 1965, he officially renamed the business Domino's Pizza. But rapid expansion brought several growing pains. In the 1970 and 1980, Domino's faced massive public backlash because their focus on speed led to reckless driving and a drop in overall food quality. Instead of hiding from the criticism, Tom and his executive team did something radical. They launched an honest, multi-million-dollar ad campaign admitting their pizza tasted like cardboard and completely revamped their recipe from scratch. That brutal honesty and focus on customer feedback saved the brand and sent sales skyrocketing. By the time Tom Monaghan retired and sold his stake in 1998 for nearly $1, Domino's had grown into a massive international giant with thousands of stores worldwide. The lesson is simple: true business success is not about avoiding mistakes, it is about listening to your customers, pivoting quickly, and executing your core strategies better than anyone else in the market. Don't forget to subscribe to Business Story Global for more incredible global business secrets and startup stories. Hit that subscribe button right now.